Baltimore's Christmas music station, 1019 LIF. We're hanging out here live at Disney World at the brand new test track, and we're with one of the moms from the Moms Panel, and her name is Deborah. Deborah, what is the Moms Panel?
The Walt Disney World Moms Panel is this incredible resource for Disney World guests. Come to us at DisneyWorldMoms.com and ask us your questions. Ask us anything you want. Just don't ask us to make reservations for you. But we can help you plan an itinerary. We can give you suggested ride times, when to go on a particular attraction, what month you'd like to come, should I wear socks in January. Any question you would like to ask, we're happy to advise.
That's awesome. Now, how did this whole thing get started?
In 2007, social media here at Walt Disney World decided it would be a wonderful idea to pull a panel of experts together whose, I don't want to say whose job, but whose pleasure it is to give their honest opinions about coming to Disney World as a family travel party.
Right.
Multi-generational, with kids, without kids, and so on. And the search process annually has become a huge thing in the Disney fan community. The year I made it was the class of 2011, and when I applied, there were 18,000 applicants, and we were weeded down through a series of 3 types of interviews till finally the last 15 of us were picked, and we became that class of 2011.
And she's not kidding. You can ask her anything and she'll be able to answer. We were trying to figure out the shapes on Spaceship Earth, and she was able to tell us what they are.
It is called a geodesic dome,
Exactly.
and it was created by Buckminster Fuller.
That is amazing that you can have all that information right there. We're all impressed. Tell us the website again.
DisneyWorldMoms.com.
All right. Check it out.